Hi everyone, it's Coach Awaiz here. I'm your personal trainer and nutritionist. Today, I would like to talk about a very important topic, a blood test. How a simple blood test can improve your health. Predominantly when we talk about health and fitness, we talk about how do we look from outside. But we completely ignore the fact that our inner health is also very important. We don't know what's going on in our bodies. If you're following any nutrition program, any diet program, any exercise program, or you're thinking to begin any exercise program or nutrition program, I recommend you the following blood test. You need to do your total blood cholesterol level check. It will give you an idea about your HDL level. It will give you an idea about your LDL level. HDL cholesterol is good kind of cholesterol. LDL level cholesterol is bad kind of cholesterol. It will give you an idea about triglycerides. You need to do your liver function test. You need to do your kidneys function test, your iron level, and as well as your thyroid function test. You can also do any other tests you have in your mind as well as these tests. It will give you an idea how your current health is. If your blood tests they don't come satisfactory, don't panic. You can consult with your doctor, GP, or your personal trainer or nutritionist, and you can improve those blood tests in the future. If your blood tests are satisfactory, it is good news. You should keep following what you're following at the moment. Continue, keep working on it, and try to improve even more. Please share this video. This is a very important message. It will help other people as well. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please write in comments below. You can also follow me on Facebook. You can also follow me on Instagram. And if you have any question regarding any other topic you guys would like to share with me, or you want me to share with you, please contact me, and I'll see you very soon with another interesting video, interesting topic. And until then, thank you.